In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and access security section over here. Now click on screen lock under device security and pick the best login method for you by clicking on the chosen one: pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to create your login method, and if you made a mistake, click on clear at the bottom left corner. Then enter it correctly and choose next at the bottom right one. Over here you need to repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on confirm. Lastly, tap on the best option to answer the question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so I have to click on it and tap on done at the bottom right corner. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!